by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning with the high E string, drop down a whole step to D. We're going to start off the song with 4 muted hits. We're going to rest the left hand on the guitar strings really gently and just strum across the strings to get those 4 muted hits. We're then going to go to our first chord shape. We have the low E string open, first finger bar across the A and D strings at the 2nd fret. Then we've got the 4th fret, the 3rd finger on the G, the high B and high E, which is now a D, open too. Originally I thought that we had the 2nd finger down on the 3rd fret of the B to get the high D sound ringing out, but when I'm looking at the videos of Jacob playing this live, he doesn't seem to have that down, so I presume the high E is dropped down to a D here, and that's our first chord shape. So we have the 4 muted hits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to start off with a down, up, down, a quick down, up, and then a nice long down. Then we'll hit it down again, and then a down, up, up. So down, 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 up, up. Then we'll have another down, and then up, down, and a quick down, up. So slowly, down, 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 up, up, down, slowly. One more time. And then we're going to move to the 2nd chord shape. So we're going to take the bar off the 2nd fret here and just have the 1st finger on the 2nd fret, the D string. The 3rd finger is going to stay where it was on the 4th fret of the G, and the 2nd finger is going to come in and play the 3rd fret of the A string. We're also going to mute the low E string, this time with the thumb and the tip of the 3rd finger on the left hand there. High B and E strings still open. For this chord, we're just going to strum down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, and down, 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 up. So far we had the 4 mutes. The 2nd chord, and then we're going to go to our 3rd chord. We want to leave the thumb over the top, muting the E string, but we're just going to take our 2nd finger off, leaving the A string open, and we're going to strum up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. One more time, up, down, 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 before we go back to the 1st chord with that quick down, up, before we go through the riff again. Okay, so for the A chord we have the up, up, down, 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 and then a very quick transition to the 1st chord with the 16th notes on the end before we start off the riff, again starting from the down strum. Okay, so the whole thing slowly. And more up to speed. The bridge is really simple in this song. We just have the low open E string, played once and left to ring for 2 full bars. Then we have 1st fret on the low E string for 1 bar, 3rd fret on the low E string for 1 bar before we repeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, played on repeat. For more Wunderhorse tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.